So when you're booking a Carnival Players Club Casino offer, there are definitely some things that you need to know to save yourself some potential heartache. We're going to talk about what those things are coming up right now. Hello again, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Chris, and this is Cruising on Comps, where we talk about wonderful casino cruise offers and how you potentially can get your hands on one. I try to share tips and tricks, and today I'm going to share some tips with you that you definitely need to pay attention to if you're ready to book, or even if you've already booked your casino offer through Carnival. The last one, I promise you, you definitely want to do this. There's nightmare stories from people that did not do this, and when they got on the ship and they were ready for their cruise, it turned out that they lost all of the additional benefits of their cruise offer. So let's jump over to the computer, take a look at some screenshots, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make sure that you get exactly what your offer said that you would. So once you log into carnival.com, you're going to go to the top right hand side and you'll see your name, and you want to go ahead and click on your name, and that is going to take you to basically your profile page, and you'll find your name, date of birth, all that good stuff, and your VIFP club number. And on the left hand side of the page, you're going to see my profile, my benefits, my cruises, and my offers. And you'll need to click on my offers, and that will actually take you to your offer page where all of your offers are going to be located. So now we're on my offers page, and I want to bring special attention to the right hand side of the page where I've got two different elite offers that essentially include the same thing, except for one of them also comes with $300 of fun play. So I'm going to select that one, and when I go to book it, it automatically is going to show for 2 guests as an example. And here's where you have to be very careful, because if I go to change the amount of guests to just me, when I do that, Carnival, for some reason, and I'm not exactly sure why, has a tendency to change my offer. So now you can see that I've got the 2 offers here, but it is automatically selected for me the one that does not include $300 of fun play. Now I have that available to me, as you can see on the bottom, but for some reason it has changed it where I get everything else except for the $300 of fun play. That's the one I want, so I'm going to go down and select that offer. And then when I go back into the booking page, I want to verify down here on the left-hand side that everything that I should be getting with that offer before I go to book it, before I move to checkout, is indeed included in that offer. And I also want to make special note of the offer code, because we're going to need that in the next step after you complete your offer and you've checked out. You need to verify with the Oceans Players Club that your offer has everything that it's supposed to have. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so you booked your casino offer, but if you go back to your actual booking page within Carnival, you're going to notice that it does not include any information whatsoever about all of the additional benefits of that offer. So what you need to do is you're going to go to this website, which is oceanplayersclub.com, and I'll post a link in the description below. And this is going to allow you to fill in some information and send out a request so they can send you a verification email of everything that is included in your booking. Now, I will go ahead and say they are notorious for taking forever in some instances with this, and I've had it responded to within a few days, and I've had to resubmit more than once to finally get a response a month, 2 months later. So if you do not first succeed, try again. But I urge you to definitely try to get this information in email form so you can print it out and put it with all of your other cruise documents. That way, if you get on the board and something is wrong, you go into the casino, you're supposed to have fun play and you don't have any fun play, or you're supposed to have drinks on Carnival and it's not showing up, you have something that you can use to verify that was supposed to be part of your offer, and it'll just make your life a lot easier. So you go to the page and you're going to click down at the bottom. You're going to click where it says verify casino offer, and that's going to take you to this page. Pretty self-explanatory. Fill out the requested information, and in the message area is where you want to just basically type out a message that says, I would like to verify booking number so-and-so for this cruise ship on these dates with this rate code. That's where you're going to put the rate code information. I always like to put that in there. And they will send you an email back, hopefully in a timely manner, that will list everything that is included in your booking offer. And that way, again, you have that information in case something happens. It is best to have and not need than need and not have. So do that, print it out, have it with you. You've got the verification. It's just going to make things go smoothly, and you won't have to worry about dealing with something like that once you get on board, and you can just start enjoying your vacation. So I hope this helps. If it does, if you found this information valuable, if you haven't already, if you would be so kind as to subscribe to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. We're growing like weeds, as we say down here in the South, and I couldn't be happier, more pleased, and more surprised by that. But it really does help the channel, and it helps me continue to push forward to share information like this with you, to just try to make your whole experience a whole lot more fun. So thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you next time.